Graph each inequality and write the solution set using both set builder and interval notations. We have 3 times 7 minus x is less than 2x plus 5. Let's multiply. We would have 21 minus 3x is less than 2x plus 5. Now we're going to want to get x on one side of the inequality, so let's add negative 21 to both sides. Gives us negative 3x is less than 2x minus 16. Now let's add negative 2x to both sides of the inequality, and we have negative 5x is less than negative 16. Finally, we'll want to divide both sides by negative 5. But remember, when we divide or multiply by a negative number, the inequality symbol has to change direction. So when I divide this side by negative 5, I get x. The inequality symbol must change direction. When I divide negative 16 by negative 5, I get 16 fifths. So I'm looking at x, all values of x that are greater than 16 fifths. On a number line, we can show that by marking 16 fifths, using a parenthesis to show that we're not including 16 fifths, and shading in all values of x that are greater than 16 fifths. And we can write the solution set in set builder notation as the set of all x such that x is greater than 16 fifths, or using interval notation, we would write the interval from 16 fifths to positive infinity.